Hi, we meet again in this session, healing from within and reset your spirit. So healing from within and reset your spirit. We want to heal you, calm you down, feel that peace, relaxation, healing, and protection. We're focusing on your spirit, healing from within, and reset your spirit so you can feel at peace with yourself and happy once again. You don't have to feel nothing's gonna stop you from feeling this way. Everything works for you from within. Imagine the light is on top of your head and you push it all the way down and all the way down to the ground. You let go. Take a deep breath and push the light back up again. And release and push it back again. All the way down to the ground and hold it there. Then release. Bring that light up again. Inhale and then release. You feel relaxed, calm, grounded, centered, aligned. You feel that inner peace of yourself. Let the true you stay at calm and relaxation. You want to feel everything is where it should be. Peace, solitude. You feel it. Accept it. Feel it. Embrace it. And get that healing. The inner you is who you are. You are in a shell, but you are living out your life. The spark is what you are, your soul, your spirit. That's you. And this is who you are. To function in this world, you need a shell, and the shell is your body. You take care of it. You cleanse it, you clean it, you make it look good. And you function in your day to day with others. But now you seek the healing from within. And reset your spirit from within and feel at ease and peace and solitude. You feel the energy flowing through you as we speak. You hear what I say, you interpret it, and you listen. You listen to the healing right now. You feel this healing peacefully right now. Constantly feeling it. Relaxing. You need this energy. It flows. You need everything. It is powerful. It heals. You feel wonderful when you heal from within. That spark flourishes when positivity is around you. As you heal from within, you're healing yourself from within and spreading out the new feelings outward like this. It pops out of you because you're feeling from within. You're healing from within. You are from within. You is you. You feel that. All that is you down there. You feel peace and solitude. You feel that inner healing from within. You feel it. Reset your spirit now and feel it. You feel your spirit. You're feeling it. Getting healed. Accept this healing. And you're feeling it right now. You're feeling at peace with yourself. You're feeling it from within. Your spirit is getting reset, reboot. And now this is who you are. You feel like a new person because you're healing from within. Your spirit is getting a reset. It's getting a refresh, a reboot. And you're feeling good about it. Peaceful, relaxation, calming. You feel it. You feel this energy coming to you right now. You feel it, and you accept it and you embrace it. It feels good. Your soul, your spirit, the inner you feels great. You have this energy right now to do anything you want with it. You're feeling this energy right now. You accept this energy right now because you know it's good for you. So you can feel this energy flow. It's flowing all around you right now. This energy is here. You're accepting this energy. Close your eyes and feel with me. Feel this energy from within. Call out your energy from within. I say your name, and I call out my inner energy, my soul, to get healed and feel this healing right now. Feel it go through your body and open it up and feel peace, calming, relaxation, healing, and protection. Feel it all. Now, as we heal our spirit to be reset, you might see flashes through your third eye or in your mind. The body's resetting itself. It's feeling good. You're getting a reboot. You're flushing out what is not necessary inside you. And let this spirit, your soul, reach out to your mind, come up for and become you for an instant. It's you, but you're becoming up front. It's coming up front out of you right now. It's coming out. Your spirit is coming out now. Don't let it fall back. Let it come out. Let it come out. And share this wonderful life you have right now. This life, right now, You have the same thing I have, except I'm healing you as a healer. I am. You feel this healing right now. You feel it. And you accept it. And let this healing come right out of you. Coming out. Slowly, slowly, slowly. You feel it coming out of you. You feel good. Because you're healing from within. Reset the inner you. You're resetting that spark, that spirit, all coming out. This is who you are, and this is what you are. You feel this peace and solitude, this quiet time. You can meditate or just relax. But you're feeling this right now. You're feeling the healing that's inside. You're feeling the peace and solitude. You're feeling it. Embrace the peaceful thoughts. You feel good inside, and you feel that healing come alive. You feel the peace, and you feel at ease. Nothing to worry about when I'm here with you. You feel a lot better, and you feel healed. You are such a lucky person because you have me in your life, helping you, guiding you, getting you where you need to be. Peaceful, happy, calm, relaxed. And you find your inner spirit is being reset. It's been reset already. You're just winding down now. But feeling the goodness and the energy you have. Now you share what I share. You feel what I feel. You feel peace. You feel sound. You feel healed. Now, remember, you feel the healing. You feel it around. You feel the peace. You feel it. And you accept it. You feel it. And you accept it. Everything is where it needs to be. Everything is laid out for you. You just need to act upon it. Use this for sleep and use this for healing and calming your inner spirit. Calming, relaxing, peaceful, healing, and you're protected as well. I want you to feel good, and I want you to feel happy, and I want you to feel at peace. And you feel at peace now. Every day is a new day, and you feel at ease. Now it's time to say goodbye, and I'll see you in the next episode and session for healing and keeping you relaxed and in peace and healing you and protecting you. Be at peace. Your inner you is healed and reset. Now, be happy.